I understand how it feels to look at a huge, fat zero in your PayPal or bank account. But as of right now, things will be different thanks to a top secret plan that enables regular people like you and me to work from home and earn money. I'm very excited about this new strategy because it doesn't need any technical know-how or prior knowledge. There are no investments or out-of-pocket expenses needed. All you need is a mobile phone, computer, and internet connection to get started. You can carry out this action from any location in the world if you have a PayPal account. I'll walk you through the process in this video so you can start generating hundreds or even thousands of dollars in real income every day. You may earn 3 times as much PayPal money as the typical person if you stick with me to the conclusion of this video. I'll give you a couple of powerful additional tips. Make sure to pay attention and continue to watch so you don't miss anything crucial. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Watch the video right away. Before I tell you what the website is named, I want to show you exactly how it works. These are the 3 simple steps you may follow to begin reading emails for money online. Making a free account registration is the first step. Reading emails is phase 2, and getting PayPal funds on a daily basis is phase 3. These are only a few of the features of this website. You will initially begin receiving daily and paid emails in your mailbox. You can collect your money in as little as 24 hours because of how rapidly they execute payments. They also have a very modest $15 payment cap. This suggests that if you reach the minimum threshold of $15, you can start dispersing your funds. It is entirely free to join and you won't be charged anything. After activating your account, you can receive a $3 sign-up bonus. Additionally, you may earn extra money by taking part in the daily paid surveys, which based on your locality, can pay anywhere from $0.50 and $1, or even more for each survey you complete. You may also recommend friends to this one website to earn up to 2 tiers of commission as an extra source of income. Before we start, I want to make sure you have these 2 things. You must first make sure that you have a PayPal account in order to get your money. If you don't already have a PayPal account, don't worry. All you have to do is go to paypal.com and click this button to join up and use a personal account for free. I'd like to confirm that you have an email address. I think you should get a Yahoo email account. If you search for Yahoo on Google, you can find the first link here, which is to Yahoo Mail. If you have a Yahoo Mail account and have access to multiple paid emails, you can begin making money online. Once more, you can download this from your App Store if you have an iPhone and from your Google Play Store if you have an Android phone. Simply provide your first and last name as well as your email address to complete the sign-up process for a free Yahoo Mail account. My second recommendation is to use a Gmail account. You can access this website by going to Google, search for Gmail, selecting the top result, and then clicking the link. Click the button to sign up without cost. To create a Gmail account, all you need to know is your first and last names, username, and password. Gmail is available through both your App Store and the Google Play Store. If you have both of them, all you have to do to start making PayPal money online is to adhere to the directions in this video. If not, creating a free Gmail or Yahoo account only takes a couple of minutes. Let's go on to step 2 now. Please visit paytoreademails.com at my request. I'd like to start by showing you how to register for a free account and receive a $3 sign-up bonus without paying a dime. Prior to clicking the sign-up button, you must first select your gender, male or female. Type your first name, email address, and password. You will notice sign up and get a $3 bonus after clicking the sign up button. After that, input your zip code and confirm that you are human by reading and accepting the terms and conditions. Click the sign in button to finish. As soon as you've done the prior step, you can view this page. Your paid to read email account is now live, and your account has been awarded with a $3 sign-up bonus. The welcome message is, "Thank you, account activated." As you can see in the right section, this is a brand new account, and you can see that the balance is $3. For instance, when you scroll down below here, it says that cash surveys are one of the free methods to be paid for your online behavior. For each survey, you can earn between 50 cents and $1, and I'll show you a creative trick to increase your earnings by double. There is no need for you to take any additional action after clicking this button to be taken to this page. As you may be seeing here, cash surveys earn $0.35 up to $1 for every completed survey. There are three main categories. First, your surveys, where you have endless survey options. The more survey you complete, the more money you will receive. The second category is opinion survey, which is gain unrestricted. You are only permitted to complete 10 surveys from the third category, data surveys, per day. As an illustration, pressing the survey button will take me to this website. In as little as 1 or 2 minutes, I can begin taking the surveys, and just by doing so, I can earn 50 cents. All you have to do is choose your gender, click Get Started, and then choose your birth date. After finishing the surveys, you can add the money to your account. I'll start with the first additional recommendation for increasing your website's earnings. First, make sure that each time you log into your account, you complete the needed 10 surveys from the data surveys category. After finishing this category, you can win $4 because you completed 10 surveys. After that, you'll have access to an infinite number of higher paying surveys that will each pay you $1, $2, or even $5. For each of those categories, you have an infinite number of options, which is advantageous. By completing a few brief surveys on your phone, you can make between $1 and $5 for each one. After finishing all of the cash surveys, you can go to the cash offers by simply clicking this button, which will take you to this website. You can use this website to make more money by taking your surveys, opinion surveys, and data survey, which pays you 50 cents and 40 cents. Moving on to the last and most accelerating source of income. You can view the remaining portions of this video by simply reading emails and clicking on the emails link. All you have to do is click open to view the emails. After then, you may either click on the images or the button, which will bring you to the website at random. You will carry out this directive. They could give you instructions now and then, but you won't typically have to follow them. For at least 30 seconds, you must wait on the page and browse the website to prove that you are a human, not a robot. Simply move the cursor around the screen to scroll the page. You may do this on your computer or a phone, and it will only take you 30 seconds to get the money and add it to your account. When you go back to your dashboard, you will notice a total of $3.50, which includes the $3 sign-up bonus and the 50 cents you can earn for finishing one email offer. With only roughly 45 cents in income, the second email generates a far smaller amount of money. However, the problem with this is that sometimes emails may offer you even more money, and if you reach $15, you can cash out all of your gains. One thing I should point out is that they do have a special referral program. Clicking the more options and then selecting referral friends will take you to a website where you can earn an additional 15% of your friends' earnings, which is free passive money. You can earn 50% of their income by simply telling your friends and acquaintances about this opportunity. You won't need to put in any of your own effort. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.